Alright guys and gals, today got a pretty simple video, but I had some people on Instagram that wanted me to show how to do this. So we have a Valier 444C, and then we have the Airlift Compressor Isolator Kit 50714. So today I'm going to show you how I install it, which I think is pretty simple. So of course you're going to need a compatible compressor. You're going to need the airlift kit. You're going to need a torque wrench that does inch pounds or Newton meters. You're going to need a 10 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter wrench, 11 millimeter wrench or socket, and then a second 11 millimeter wrench or socket, and a little bit of paint and some fingernails or a little screwdriver. So let's get everything out, let's get it organized, let's get it prepped, and let's get it started. Alright, so here I have everything laid out how it's supposed to go. So we're going to take a bracket, we're going to take this piece here, and we're just going to push it in there. Now I'm sure if you was to take like some WD-40 or something like that and put that in here, it will make it a little bit easier. So I mean, if you want to, you can, but you know, I never do. Now I don't know what new releasing agent whatever company is using to make these bushings, but this stuff right here is messy. I don't know what that's the releasing agent they're using is. So we got one end, work the other one in, and you just want to make sure that the lip is all the way through, all the way around on the bushings. So then we're going to do the same thing for this one. Alright, so now we have all 4 bushings installed in both brackets. Is that we're going to take all 4 bolts and we are going to install all 4 sleeves. And then we're going to take the part of the bracket that is the smallest on the outside, and we're going to insert the sleeves like so, and then we're going to turn the brackets upside down. So the part that is hollow, the part that is deep and hollow, is the part that we're going to have up. So after that, you take your 4 springs, put 1 in each one like so, and then you take the 4 bottom cap things, and then you take your 4 locking nuts. And from here, these need to be torqued down to 7 Newton meters, and it's a 10 millimeter nut with a 10 millimeter bolt. Whatever you mount your compressors on, whether it be a piece of wood or whatever the case may be, of course the wood will go here, so the nut would not be on. You would place the bottom washer on whatever surface that you are mounting on, drill a hole or whatever, place it through it, and then the nut would go under that surface. So they're going to attach like this with the bracket on the bottom, and both brackets face towards the head of the pump. So you just take your washer, you take your bolt or washer, you put it through like so. You take your bracket with your bolt exposed facing downward. You take another washer and then your locking bolt, and that's how you install it. So you just repeat that 3 more times and then we can tighten. So after you have those installed, then you take your 11mm wrench and socket, or whichever combination you have, and you tighten them down. There's no torque spec for these. Just get them tight. That concludes the installation of the Airlift Compressor Isolator Kit number 50714. And that is literally all it is to it. People make them seem a whole lot more complicated than what they are. It's a very simple kit, it's effective, and it works. So thank you all for watching my video. But until next time, peace.